guys, good morning. Happy Sunday. Today is Sunday, January 25th, and it is 11:53. It's almost 12 o'clock. I woke up a little while ago, got ready to go nowhere because this snowstorm is actually here. I don't know when it's gonna stop, how much more snow we're gonna get. I'm gonna show you guys the snow in a second, but it's a snow day. We're gonna do obviously some shoveling, probably go somewhere to take some snowy pictures. I was thinking maybe like I could decorate for Valentine's Day, maybe. I have some things that I got that maybe I can do while I'm inside, finish up some schoolwork, and yeah, other than that, we're just gonna chill at home most of the day. I'm gonna go make some coffee because your girl still needs to wake up, so let's go downstairs and make some coffee. Unfortunately, we can't go to Dunkin' today because of this damn snow, so let's go downstairs and make some coffee.
Right here, it's nice, bright color. It's a fantastic day. It's a good day to be alive. Come to think of it, every day's a good day to be alive.
We got our coffee.
I'm a chicken
We
donkey.
got our coffee.
I do a vlog, and then I eat a frog, and then I wipe out the smog. I'm a donkey. I'm a chicken donkey. I'm a
Cheers.
monkey. Cheers, chicken. I ate the Turkish pistachio.
I know. It was yummy.
I'm a monkey. I'm a chicken donkey. And it's funky, and it's really funky. Charlie Brown in your mother flipping town. I'm the motherfucker that do it.
As you guys see, we made our coffee, but I wanted to show you guys outside the snow from the front. Look how crazy. That's so crazy. I think that's a plow that's coming around. But look at all that snow. That's insane. Look at all that. Wow. Okay guys, we're all bundled up now. We are ready to go outside. I need to wear my glasses because I need to be able to see, obviously. Oh my god, this snow is so crazy. It's like they already shoveled the sidewalk and there's already snow right on top of it. That's crazy. Let's go. Let's see. Oh my god. Let's just keep you guys over here for a minute. Oh my god. I gotta get my keys, hold on. Alright guys, we got our keys. Now we can start our car and enjoy this time-lapse montage.
Good job.
really don't want to be like anyone else. I just want to keep making what I make. And if you guys want to throw me in a box, if you want to say, hey, you're making lo-fi, like, whatever, just enjoy it. Enjoy it. Enjoy. And honestly, people are just making this because they think it's bad, they think it's a game, but this is more than that. It's supporting soul.
It's so cold. Alright, now we have to salt. But first we're gonna shovel up and touch up the floor before we put down more salt.
And of course I wanted to feel love, but it's not.
The big salt bucket is fine in the other room. Get more salt. Alright guys, now we're gonna get more salt. We're inside. Look how sweet my cats are. The Olive. Then we have Betty. And then we have Margarita. Betty. Olive. Sweet girl. They love this cat tower. But now we have to get more salt. We have it right here. Let's open this. It's not treats. She thinks it's treats. It's not treats, Margie. Alright, lock it up. And let's go. Look, she thinks it's treats. It's not treats, Margie. No, no. Alright, back outside we go. I think this is the last salt we need for a little bit. It better be, I swear, it better be. No. Let's go outside. Yo, the most annoying thing is having to take off my boots and put them back on. Because I'm like, oh my god. Coffee break. Yeah, this snow is not nothing. It's something serious. There's a lot of snow out there. Oh my god. I gotta put my boots on. I'm gonna put you guys here for a second. That's what I love about the little sticky thing that I have on the back of my phone. I could stick it anywhere. I don't need a tripod. It works out. So. Shut this door. My other boot on. Oh. Especially with gloves. Put on these boots, bro. Let's go. Where did I put the salt? Oh, I'm so dumb. Here it is. Oh no, Margie. You coming to say hi? It's cold outside. You can't go out there. It's cold out there. Alright, we'll leave that door open for you. Let's go back outside. Oh, sometimes it gets too stuck on the window. Damn. Alright. I'm not gonna make this snow shoveling part too long because I know it's like a little boring. So, wow, look how much the salt did. That's crazy. Clearly I haven't ever put salt on before, so. Oh, I'm kidding. Alright. Alright, we finished with the salt. Oh my god, that's so crazy it looks. So now Hubby is snow blowing. Look how sick that is. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo, that's crazy. Okay, y'all. Yo, this snow is absolutely insane. Remember how we shoveled and put salt down on that little walk path? It's literally fully covered now. I mean, it could be because of the snowblower as well, but the snow coming down right now is insane. It's so crazy. So, I mean, I'm just sitting in the car right now because if Matt does need help, I do want to be there to help him, obviously. So, yeah, I don't know. I'm just gonna sit in here for a little bit until either, you know, he needs help or we go inside and take a break and then we come back out later. I'm not sure yet, but I will keep you guys updated. Alright guys, we did a little outfit change. We just changed my sweater because the gray one got really wet from the snow. We are going to go to 7-Eleven, grab some snacks, some hot cocoa for this nice winter day. But yeah, this is the fit. This thermal I have on is from Primark. I love it so much. it's like very warm on it. I have like 3 thermals on, like, so don't call me crazy, but look how warm that is inside. I love this black thermal. And then I'm just wearing my same gray sweatpants and got my purse, and we are going to go to 7-Eleven. I wanted to take you guys with us, so let's go. Alright guys, we made it. 7-Eleven. Go ahead, ma'am. Mr. Sir. Oh, the floor is falling. You gotta be careful, babe. Oh, careful. I almost slipped. Alright, we want to get some popcorn. Where would the popcorn be? Some popcorn. Did you find popcorn? Oh. Oh, yeah. Those are nice. Those are the slushy ones, babe. Yeah. So they don't have like the microwavable popcorn, but they do have boom chicka pop. You want these?
Sure.
I know your mom loves these.
Ooh.
Oh, sweet dragon.
Coffee.
Dragon sweet.
Talkies of the bone.
Yeah, and it's going today. White caramel chocolate sounds good. French vanilla, white caramel chocolate, or hot cocoa. I don't know which one. Alright guys, white chocolate's so good. Let's get in the car. We got all our snacks. Ooh. Oh. Alrighty guys, we made it in. It is so cold. It's like sleeting right now. Let me clean my camera. Oops. Alrighty guys, we are back in the car. We got all our snacks. He's being the man. You being a man because he's cleaning the car. He's such a man. He's so good. I love him so much. But little adventure. I think we are gonna go to like this other place that we like to go to. Obviously not like a 7-Eleven. Just like somewhere to go take pictures. Yeah, so we're gonna do that. I'll take you guys with us, like I said. So good. I swear, I love 7-Eleven's hot chocolates and hot coffees. That's the only place where I will drink a hot coffee is 7-Eleven. But anyways, let's get going and I will take you guys with us and I will let you guys know when we get to our little spot. Guys, look how pretty. I love this little cabin. So cute. One day I wish this could be not an ice home. Let me show you. Look how cute it is. Look how little it is. It's so cute. Oh, the plows are coming. We gotta go. Round two. We came back around. I think the plow is now gone. We had to we had to run back to the car. But I was in the middle of showing you guys. Look how cute this is. It's like a little cabin, but obviously I don't think anything is inside of it. Oh my god, there is a... Guys, what if somebody's fucking in there? That's actually kind of scary. I don't want to be like one of these like abandoned searching vloggers. That was a little scary, not gonna lie. But I think we're gonna take pictures like right in front of there, and the pictures are gonna come out so cute. So we're gonna do that and not stay here for too long, but enjoy the nice, beautiful scenery. Alright guys, we are just about now heading home. We had a really fun and little adventurous day. Yeah, the snowstorm, it's still snowing. There's people obviously on the roads. There's a lot of plows that are definitely scooping up all that snow. And we're gonna get back home because we do have to like continue shoveling in the driveway, salt down the driveway. I still want to decorate for Valentine's Day a little bit. Maybe I can get a little clip a little later in this vlog. And yeah, other than that, I guess I will let you guys know when we get home. We just got home. It is brutal out there. It is so cold, so windy. Now we're finally home. We can relax, snuggle up, you know, be all warm and cozy. With that being said, I do want to get out of these clothes that I've been in all day. I have pajamas, obviously, but I don't know which one I want to wear. We have a cheetah, we have a black silk cheetah, or we have my basic bow. So I don't know which one we're gonna wear. I'm not sure which one I'm feeling for tonight, but we're gonna change into one of these pajamas and we're gonna switch up and I'll show you guys which one I'm wearing. Alright guys, we changed. We got our cute bow pajamas on. I was feeling something light and long sleeve, obviously, because it's snowing, but that's my pajamas. No. Alright guys, now that we are all relaxed and got a lot more things done, I did some more homework, I took off my makeup because I did not want to keep any of my makeup on throughout this late night before I go to sleep because I had my makeup on all day. I needed to take it off. So we did our homework, we did that. Now I want to decorate. I'm not sure where exactly I'm going to put these. I showed you guys these in my last vlog. This I'll probably put over my bed, but let's decorate. We literally have to do it manually. I thought it was already going to be on the string. So let's do this and let's see how it comes out. Oh, Olive. She's being so cute.
I love you.
I can't believe we have to put all these through the holes.
Now just brace your urethra for turbulence.
Oh.
Winter bringing you down? Well, we have 5 life hacks that will make your winter season a little more bearable. Trying to keep your house warm? Open the window shades to let the sun do the work. And if you want your bed to be nice and toasty, put a hot water
We have
bottle
to take
inside
that
before
down
you climb
because
in. Tired of
it's
snow
not
getting
Christmas
stuck on your
anymore.
shovel? Spray some
Oh,
non-stick
she
cooking
bobs
spray and it will
some.
slide right off.
It's not
If your
Christmas
car gets stuck
anymore,
in
she
snow,
bobs.
kitty litter or car mats can help you get out of a slick spot. And if the car handles are
Oh, this is
winter
it.
bringing you down,
Hey guys! Alright, we finished decorating. Well, we finished putting up all of the Valentine's decorations. So I wanted to show you. It is getting so late. It is like currently 8:30, almost 9 o'clock at night. I am so tired, but I am gonna show you what I did. But look how sweet my little girl is. Look at my sweet little Betty. I love you. I love you. You're so sweet. You're so beautiful. Alright, let's go show them the Valentine's Day decorations, okay? Alright? I love you. Alright, Betty. Let's go. We're gonna go, okay? Alright. I love that you can see it, like, when you're walking in the hallway. But when the curtain's closed, obviously, you won't be able to see it. So it's like more like in the room than in the hallway. But if you wanted to show, by all means, we can open the curtains. So you walk in, and we have, let's shut this light off. I think you can see it a little better. Look how sick it came out. I love that. We can put the light back on. Then we did, like you guys saw, I did over my bed. Kind of made my bed a little bit, well, minus all that. The bed is made. Look how cute. My little bluey Valentine's Day. My grandpa bear. One of my coworkers from Duncan gave me this little guy. And that little guy is from the day of my grandpa's funeral, so it is memorabilia to me. And obviously this teddy bear is from Build-A-Bear, and it has my grandpa's voice in it, so every time I want to hear his voice, I love it so much. I dressed him like my grandpa would be dressed. And then we have these window stickers on our window. It's kind of hard to see. Maybe if we shut the light off because you can see my reflection. There you go. Cute little stickers on the window. And yeah, that is my little decoration part of the vlog. I'm all done with that. So I think I'm going to end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. This vlog was really fun for me to you know, record. I hope you guys enjoyed it so much as I did. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what other videos you guys would like to see. Comment them down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!